Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a hair tool. So this is from a company called Karmin Professional. They sent me this to test out for you. It's not sponsored or anything, so all opinions will be honest and my own. And this one is the G3 Salon Pro Curling Wand. So first up, it comes in this absolutely stunning box, and I have to say, packaging wise, this really does look very bougie. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this kind of embossed, I don't know, like a swirly pattern. It's absolutely stunning. So you take the lid off and then you've got this kind of leather look pouch inside. Like this. So it's got the same pattern on it all over. It's so pretty. Really, really nice. And then it's got this magnetic clasp here. And then you open it up. So then you take this off. And then you've got a heat protective mat. Brilliant. Absolute genius. And then you've got your pouch here. With your little zip compartment, and then inside the actual pouch itself, it's got this bit in here. I did wonder what it was to start off with, but it's obviously where you put your irons when they're still hot, so it doesn't like melt the packaging or anything. That's great as well. Little details. So then I've got a heat glove. And more importantly, the curling wand, which I have to say feels absolutely incredible quality. It's got the 360-degree swivel cord. It's got the tapered wand, which is actually quite long. So, I mean, my hair's not overly long anyway, but if you had longer hair, that would still be plenty long enough. And then this feel, I love the feel of this sort of material. It's this kind of rubberized plastic. It's really good, like non-slip, and it's got like grooves on it as well. Yeah, and it's got a little rest here, obviously, so that you can rest it on there as well. So I'll just read you a little bit from the website about what the product itself is all about. So the main features are exclusive ultra polished tourmaline ceramic barrel for the smoothest long lasting curls, quick heating to 410 Fahrenheit or 210 centigrade for all hair textures, unique ceramic heating technology for faster heat up time and more consistent temperature, heat resistant grip, 2-year warranty, tapered barrel, 1/2 to 1 inch so you can create any type of curls, 9 foot 3 meter cord, that's brilliant, professional swivel cord, worldwide voltage 100 to 240 volts, use your curling wand in any country. That's great, really, really good. So this product retails at £69.95, so just under £70. And yeah, it's got really good reviews on the website as well. They're all 5-star reviews and there's 50 odd of them, so that's great. So I'm going to put it to the test and see how it performs. Right, okay, so we are plugged in, so I'm just going to turn it on. Okay. Oh, you can adjust the temperature, that's brilliant. I probably won't have it at the highest then. I normally have it at about 180. So you can see the numbers going up as it heats up. So I've just checked to see what Fahrenheit to centigrade is, and 180 centigrade converts to 356 Fahrenheit. So I've got it set to 360 here. And it was really, really quick, literally a minute. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pop some heat protectant on my hair. And then I'll give that a little brush through. I have rough straightened it this morning. Right, okay, so I'm just going to take the bottom section. And we'll clip the top half out the way. Nice. There we go. And then I'll just give it a little brush again. Right then. So I think I'll start on this side. Right, okay. So we'll try this bit first. I'm going to have it so it's going away from me. Wow. I literally held that on there for probably 15 seconds. That's great. Okay, let's carry on. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the pretty curls, really nice. Right, so that's only 2, so I'm just going to finish off this layer. Sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. Oh yeah, I guess I dreamed. Right, okay, so that's that side done. So what I'm going to do is just leave them to cool, and then we'll brush through them at the end. So I'm just going to whiz through this side and then we'll do the top layer. Okay, so there's the first layer curled. Nice curls and really easy to use and really quick as well. Literally took me probably 3 minutes to do that. So quick. Right, okay, so we're going to do the top. So when I curl my hair, I don't like to take it right up here. I'll probably take it from about halfway and curl the rest down. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. What I'm going to do, I'll leave the front bits till the end. So I'm just going to quickly go and do this side to, because this might get boring for you, and then we will have a look at the end. So that's the hair all curled. Obviously it looks a bit ringlety at the moment, but I'm going to brush through it afterwards. So I'm going to do the front bits now. So obviously I've got these short bits around the front, and I've got this kind of curtain bangs as well. So I'm going to just do these first. So I'm going to take this section and do it away. Oh, not like that. This glove's great because I would have burnt myself so many times by now. Brilliant. Right, and then just these side bits. I'm going to do the same with those. I'm going to do those away. That's great. Right, same on the other side. Brilliant. Right, okay, so just before I brush through it, just notice I've got a couple of teeny bits that haven't caught the curler, so I'm just going to quickly go over those. So I'm just going to give it a quick spray first. Okay, so I'm just going to brush through them now. I'm just using a wide tooth comb. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. That's really quite pretty. I really like those curls. Yeah, nice, really bouncy, and You can, as I say, you can use the small bit only if you want to, or you can use the big bit. I did the whole thing because I wanted to show you. But yeah, I think they're lovely curls, really nice. I'll try and show you from the back as well. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that. It was so quick as well. I must have done my whole head in 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes and that's it. Absolutely brilliant. And my hair feels healthy as well. It feels soft. It doesn't feel like I've had heat on it for a while. It doesn't feel damaged or anything. Yeah, so pleased with these. I mean, I know obviously I didn't pay for them, but if I had, I would have been just as pleased with them. I've had probably more expensive ones than this, and these have been better. So yeah, for 70 quid or just under, I would definitely say these are worth it. Very, very happy. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.